Yo tengo el Gucci drip. Cuando yo vaya, don't flip. Bringing you back with that clip. No, I'm not crease, don't you trip. Yo tengo el Gucci drip. Cuando yo vaya, don't flip. Bringing you back with that clip. No, I'm not crease, don't you trip.
Actually popping. YouTube, how you been? How you doing? How your freaking day been? Comment it down below because you know I want to know. Now, y'all, I'm gonna insert a clip of earlier today, okay? And after you watch that clip, I'm gonna explain it. I'm not wavy no more. Okay. So, bruh, I was gonna get rid of my waves today. Oh my gosh, I was so fed up. I was like, I'm tired of looking like a boy, bruh. I'm tired. I'm fed up. I don't want to no more. But then, I was like, I look more like a boy with my hair like this. So I brushed my hair back down. I brushed my hair back down, boy. My crown was popping. My waves was popping. I said, oh snap. Ooh. I was like, oh snap. All right. So then I was thinking like, wait a minute. You telling me I can wash my hair in less than 5 minutes? Instead of having that long, drawn out washing style routine? I said, oh, bet. So you know I had to share with y'all. You know I did. So that's what we're gonna do today. One thing though, I wouldn't suggest doing this if you are a beginner because your hair isn't all the way trained yet. Like it's not trained to kind of lay down and stuff. So I would suggest this for like, I don't know, maybe like intermediate wavers, something like that, because your hair has to be able to go right back down to how it was. Okay, so first we gonna comb it back. I just got a haircut, so my hair's like extra short, but whatever. Comb it backwards. This right here is a look. It's a look. I look like a crackhead. Okay, so then get in the shower and literally you just baby, you be doing what you do, yeah, you stay on my mind. Talking how you talking, know it gets me to my level. Whistle back without the pedal. Sugar to my coffee, got me touching on my metal. For you, the way you do, got me wanting to do better. Always motivating, even through the stormy weather. I love it, so exciting, enticing. I'll do anything. And the money, I don't know what to say. Taking over my mental, want it every day. Put your hands up if you ever felt what I'm feeling. All about the loving and the giving. I wanna give it. So boom. Here we are. This is the look in itself. I didn't look like someone's son, but I did. So why you came? Let's get these waves back. That was corny. It's okay. Oh, and I'm using my like hard brush from 360 merch, and it's gonna be linked below in the description box. The website that it's from and my 10% off discount code. So get you a brush and use the code, period. Y'all see that coming back right there? You see it? Right, just like that. Like it's nothing.
To you, love the way you do, free falling for you. Said you want me, well I want you to. Let's go somewhere, get comfortable.
So now I'm gonna go with my like medium soft brush. Just start laying everything down.
Tell by the step what you wanna do. What you wanna do.
My soft brush. Ooh, my eyeball. Okay. Remember, this is the OG soft brush. This is soft brush that we don't know where it came from. It just kind of popped up. It's been here since forever. So yeah, what we using? We're using this. Don't know where it's from. Don't ask me. The only brush that I'm ready to promote right now is this 360 merch brush, and y'all just saw how it worked. So go get you one. Go get you one for real. You're not gonna regret it. I promise.
You wanna do me, you get comfortable.
And really, we're done. All I gotta do is put on the rag. And it literally took me, so like 5.5, 6 minutes of just brushing. And you didn't even need to brush that long. Could have finished brushing in like 3 minutes for real. And then the washing part was like 2 minutes. So 5-minute washing style. What I'm gonna do next is just show you like the finished product. I'm back. And I have on my do-rag from 360 merch, and that same code that I'm gonna put in the description box below can be used on this and anything else on our website. So get you 10% off. So we're just gonna unveil, okay? Okay. Okay.
What you wanna do? What you wanna do? Me, you get comfortable.
So as you can tell, your hair bounces right back, okay? It bounces right back, okay? And it's faster. So what I'm gonna do, y'all know I be buying my stuff in bulk, okay? So this is coconut oil. I'm gonna put some of that on my hair. Alright. Put some coconut oil on our heads and just slap it on. Add some shine to our hair. I like my hair to be drenched in coconut oil, you know? Drenched. Baby. Now we got that shine. Period. So, yeah, that's the end of this video. That's the end of this video. I really ain't got nothing else to say. I don't know why I'm still sitting here. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and click that bell so you can see my next video.
Yo tengo el Gucci drip. Cuando yo vaya don't flip. Bringing you back, oh that's click. No, I'm not crease, don't you trip. Yo tengo el Gucci drip. Cuando yo vaya don't flip. Bringing you back, oh that's click. No, I'm not crease, don't you trip.